Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm a researcher at the University of Amsterdam, where I'm studying physical exercise in people with cancer. I have collected a large amount of data for my research, and consequently, I have been looking for a good data management or analysis environment that is both secure and easy to use. And because this means I have to deal with a range of rules and regulations, I wanted to find a simple way to comply with the statutory and regulatory requirements that apply to my research. In other words, avoid too much hassle. All this led me to what is known as a VRE. That's the abbreviation for a Virtual Research Environment. In order to explain how a VRE is used and what kind of advantages it offers, I'll start by giving you a brief rundown on what a research project actually involves. There are normally 3 stages to any new research program you may launch. These are: first, the preparation stage; second, execution; and third, completion. A VRE's main role comes in the second of those, the execution stage, when you actually run the study or trial. A VRE allows you to decide who will be able to access that VRE, which software and other tools it needs to have for the actual data analysis, what kind of storage system is required for you to access and retrieve that data, and where the results or the analysis should be stored. What's really great is that I can use a Windows or a Linux environment, and that as a researcher, I can also collaborate with partners inside and outside the university, both nationally as well as internationally, and also share data with them. A VRE can also be adapted further to meet the researcher's specific needs and provides a complete virtual working environment. This has the benefit of making collaboration with national and international partners that much easier. It also means its computational power can be scaled up rapidly and be available more quickly. I already mentioned security, and that is, of course, the #1 issue. With a VRE, it's even easier to ensure compliance with the specific conditions applicable to the research team, as well as the policy, statutory, and regulatory requirements for research projects. So basically, things like personal data protection policy and privacy guarantees. The researcher can always access a VRE securely from a computer or laptop using a 2-step verification process. Now, it happens that we researchers sometimes collaborate with students, so you really want a VRE to have this as an option too. Fortunately, the University of Amsterdam also thinks student participation in research is really important. And so a VRE also allows for students to be given access to it under supervision by the head researcher. Once the data analysis has been completed, your VRE can be deleted, although your data will be kept stored, of course. This has the highly attractive additional benefit that you only pay for your actual usage. And if you find yourself stuck at some point or don't know what to do next, our VRE team is there to help you with the support you need.